man, backside. My up the casket them, yes.
Something alright. Something alright.
People, welcome back to Yard Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel, people. Once again, big up in yourself, each and every one of you, for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate it, people. Mad respect, isn't it, sir, people? So today, people, as everyone should know by now, unless you live under a rock,
I need 2 units to my location. I need backup.
the Jamaica Labour Party has won the 2020 election. Yes, the Jamaica Labour Party, people. And out of the 63 seats in a parliament, the Jamaica Labour Party has secured 49 of those seats, people. 49. So that means the PNP secured 14.
No,
So it's well lopsided, people. I'm not gonna lie. It's well lopsided. But people, what I want to talk about is the amount of women that won their seats yesterday, people. I don't know if it was what Mr. Phillips said in the debate make people really go out there and just want the woman them for the JLP to win, but it looked like it hit a nerve. And Jano people, majority of the JLP women them won their seats yesterday. And that's a good look to me, people, because as what I said in my previous videos, I never agreed with what Mr. Phillips said. The thing is, people, we might get what Mr. Phillips was trying to say, but I don't know if it come out in the wrong way, but, he never sit right with a lot of women. You see me, I say, because as I said, when I live in our 19 dinosaur days, 1920s and 1800s, where men believe women should stay home, cook and clean, and take care of yard. Nothing is wrong with that. Women are going to find the time to do it. But in this day and age, people, you're not going to really have women just stay home and cook and clean every day. You see me, I say, women are entrepreneurs, them a hustle, them a go out and get them own, you see me? And on 1900 winner, so that kind of hit the wrong side with a lot of people. But back to what I was saying, people, there is a lot of women gonna be in parliament on the JLP team. You see me? Them women, newcomers and all, people, knock out some strong opponents for the PNP team, So big headlines for the Gleaner. So JLP floods house with women. You see me? 14 of 18 women fielded by the Jamaica Labour Party in Thursday's general election won their seats.
Oh my God!
Among them, 7 newcomers, people. That's huge, The number brings a new record for female representation in George William Gordon House at any time to 18. 14 for the JLP and 4 for the People's National Party. 14 of them,
Oh my God!
I rate that, I'm not gonna lie. Love and respect, woman, you see me? In a general election blowout not seen since 1980, when the JLP won 51 of 60 seats.
Oh my God! Wow!
Jamaicans rejected the PNP's slate of candidates, among them 4 constituencies that featured 2-woman contests. For the PNP, Natalie Nita, Lisa Hanna, Denise Daly, and Angela Brown. Well, Angela Brownberg survived. That one was huge, people. Newcomer Rhonda Crawford took out PNP heavyweight Peter Bunting in Manchester Central. Bunting said he was out and stunting, but I don't think he's out and stunting anywhere at the moment, people. You see me? Him probably lock up in him house. I wonder how it really happened. Did this really happen? You see me, people? You can't just talk the talk. You have to walk the walk. And people see what you're not doing in the constituency. If you're not doing no work when you think election time coming, they might just vote you in back. And that's how it work. While Crystal Lee tore down live wire Dr. Dayton Campbell in St. and Northeastern. The others include Senator Carisha Morrison, Dr. Michelle Charge, Tova Hamilton, Tamika Davis, and Marsha Simit. Those returning include veterans Olivia Babsy Grange, Marissa Filbert, Favial Williams, Juliet Holness, Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, Marlene Malahoo Forte, and Anna Marie Vaz. Thursday night's record election for a woman beat the 12 who were elected in 2016. That number is 3 times the number elected in 1962 and 4 times the number voted into office in 1989 to 93. Up to Thursday, only 40 women had previously been elected members of parliament since independence in 1962, but it jumped to 47 after Thursday's election. And as Mr. People, last week, opposition leader Dr. Phillips was heavily criticized on social media for comments made in the political leadership debate about obstacles to greater upward mobility of women in partisan politics. Phillips, during the debate with Prime Minister Andrew Holness, was criticized for suggesting that the domestic requirements of women in traditional households impacted their upward movement to the representational level. So it's when I say people like that hit a lot of people the wrong way because their domestic requirements, like, what? 2023 now, man for cook, man for clean, woman for cook, woman for clean. You can't just lay the sole responsibility of one individual. But then again, sometimes to people you have that woman that not believe that she have to work, that she needs to stay home or she needs to go shop. Yeah, you have them one day who not believe in her work and just feel like man for make the money, bring come get them and them spend it off. We know in a 19 Zulu Peck years, you see me I say? Everything change up. 2020 and anything is possible in a 2020 people. But yeah, I think he should have made those comments. So, people probably took it the wrong way. And this is the end result. You have 14 women on the JLP team in a parliament now. So you're going to have 49 Labour right on one side and 14 PNP on the other. My God, that's well lopsided,
Accordingly, I consider it my duty to demit office as president of the party.
And also, people, we just hearing news that Mr. Peter Phillips has resigned from office as well. He has resigned. Remember, it was breaking news yesterday that him say if he didn't win the election, he would be stepping down and he would be retiring from politics. So it looked like he has made up his mind and he's calling it quits, people. Which is, I don't know, like, to me, the man just never confident in a way, man. He wasn't the leader that you could have run to and make suggestion. He was like, election had come up, but he wasn't involved. He never have that oomph. Like, he wasn't the leader, man. He wasn't with the people. He wasn't for the people. So that kind of bite people the wrong way and everybody just kick him to the curb. Like, when he was speaking, he never sound confident in a way. I say, it's like people have to correct him and you can't put out them negative vibes there. You see me? I say you have to be confident in a way. So I think that's what happened. People realize, say, oh, you know what, brother, you have to rule the country, run the country, be our prime minister. And that's what happened. He was voted out and never win. And him lucky say him actually win him seat because Buju Banton daughter was right there, could have easily won. You see me? Majority of people probably never know say a Buju daughter. Them see the last name Myri, but probably never they are say a Buju Banton. Yet again, some Jamaicans probably don't even know say that a Buju last name. Any of them did say Buju Banton name written anywhere upon that paper. I guarantee you say him daughter would have win that seat. She'd have beat out Peter Phillips and win that seat. I guarantee you, Buju just come out of prison. Everybody with Buju now. So imagine his daughter running for be a member of parliament. Oh God, man. But yeah, people is, we wish Mr. Phillips all the best. And, big up yourself what you did for Jamaica or what you didn't do for Jamaica. Big up yourself, said way. Enjoy retirement. And, hopefully the person that they elect to be the next leader of the PNP is somebody very trustworthy and very confident in what they want to do for the party and for Jamaica. But in my opinion, I think it's probably going to be Lisa Hanna, even though she almost lose for her seat. I think it's going to be Lisa Hanna. Let me know what you think in the comment section, people. Leave some comments and let me know what you think. All right, mad. Big up in yourself.